In today's part, we are supposed to study about the oxoacids of halogens. Oxoacids we have seen for sulfur. In oxoacid, you must remember that there must be presence of O and H. OH bond must be formed that must be connected to the element. Whosoever is forming that oxoacid to that element, OH bond must be connected. That does not mean it is a base. It is an acid and it produces, when it is attached to oxygen, it produces H plus ion. This becomes an oxoacid. So today the different oxoacids of halogens are supposed to be seen. It is forming 4 types of haloacids, or you can say the oxoacids. Halogens can form 4 types. First is hypohalous acid. This is general name that is given. Hypohalous acid. The formula becomes HXO, or you can write it for our convenience. We can write it as HOX. So what examples can you get? HOF, HOCl, HOBr and HOI. These are different types of hypohalous acid. I can call HOF as hypofluorous acid, hypochlorous acid. Like that I can call the acids. Now the oxidation state of the halogen in such type of hypohalous acid will be +1. That is written over here. X will be +1. Halogen will be of +1 oxidation state. Second is Halous acid. Halous acid, it has formula HXO2. So if you compare with the previous one more oxygen is added, HXO2. While writing for convenience, we can write this as HOXO. Why do we write this as HO? Because you need OH bond. So it becomes convenient to write this as HOXO. So example, we have only one type of acid of this type, HOClO. This acid will be called as chlorous acid. Only chlorous acid. Because this is of the type halous acid. It will contain Cl in +3 oxidation state. Only one example we have. Third is halic acid. Halic. The formula comes as HXO3. You will find halogen in +5 oxidation state. What changes do you find? We have examples of Cl, Br and I. HOClO2. One more oxygen is added. Halous contains 2 oxygens. Halic मध्ये one more oxygen is added and the formula becomes HXO3. So for convenience, I can write this as HOXO2. एक ऑक्सिजन इथला आपण इथे मध्ये लिहून टाकू OH फॉर्म करण्यासाठी. So HOClO2, HOBrO2, HOiO2. You can call this as chloric acid. This will be chloric acid, bromic acid and adic acid. Like that we can call. And last one is perhalic acid. Perhalic contains one more oxygen. Formula becomes HXO4. The different compounds. So here you can find out the oxidation state of halogen here. XG oxidation state you can calculate. H ला +1 consider करणार. Oxygen, एक oxygen चा -2. मग 4 oxygens are there. Find oxidation state of X here. This will be your practice part. HOClO3. परत आपण काय करतोय? One oxygen is transferred here to write the formula in order to get OH. So HOClO3, HOBrO3, HOiO3. You call the compound as perchloric acid, periodic acid and perbromic acid and periodic acid. So these are different types of oxoacids. In all the examples that I have written, you will find that fluorine is forming only one type of acid, that is HOF. In none of the cases we find fluorine forming any type of oxoacid. And now for study we have got structure of oxoacids of chlorine. The structures are to be learned and practiced by heart. The thing is, in the structures, you don't have bond angles. Only structures are given. So it becomes a plus point. No need to learn bond angles here. The acid, hypochlorous acid. Chlorine, we have got oxoacids. So chlorine is forming all the 4 types of oxoacids. Hypochlorous acid. In hypochlorous acid, formula is HOCl. Oxygen becomes the central element and H and Cl. Angular type of structure comes here. It's a very simple structure. Second is chlorous acid. Chlorous acid मध्ये काय झालंय? एक ऑक्सिजन अजून increase झालाय. The formula becomes HClO2. लिहिताना we'll write it as HOClO in order to make the structure clear. So Cl ला double bond O and on one side O and H. Like this becomes the structure of chlorous acid. Third comes is chloric acid. Chloric acid, one more oxygen is increasing. The formula becomes HClO3. For convenience, we are writing it as HOClO2. The structure HOCl हा part same राहतं. प्रत्येक acid मध्ये you will find this part as common and the number of bonds with chlorine are changing. So Cl, chloric मध्ये 2 oxygens आले. One oxygen will form a double bond with chlorine. Another oxygen will form a double bond with chlorine like this. This becomes the structure of chloric acid. This has to be learned as it is. Fourth is perchloric acid. Parat one more oxygen is increased. The formula becomes HClO4. So again I said HOCl. This part is common. This angular structure is common. So now when you want to connect 3 hydrogen atoms, double bonded O and double bonded O with chlorine. Plus 7 will be the oxidation state of chlorine if you calculate. These are the 4 oxoacids of chlorine. The structures must be known to you completely. Practice them. Next part comes as the compounds of sulfur. Compounds of sulfur. Sulfur is the element from 16th group present just below oxygen. So different compounds of sulfur are present in the nature. Na2SO4, Na2SO3, SO2, SO3. So such compounds are there of sulfur. We have to study the compound that is sulfur dioxide having formula SO2. So the preparation method of this compound can be in many ways. Different methods can be there. Out of that, the first method, which is a very simple method, is from sulfur element. So this solid sulfur, when undergoes burning process, combustion. So combustion, I can put here a triangle. Burning process. In presence of oxygen, it is burning to form the gas SO2. Sulfur dioxide is the gas that is formed. Very simple reaction. Second preparation method is from sulfite. Sulfite compounds have SO3. This method is a lab method preparation. Remember this also. Sulfite method is lab method preparation, that is in small scale when we are preparing. Which is the compound used? It is sodium sulfite. Sulfite has SO3. Sodium sulfite, when treated with H2SO4, it forms Na2SO4. Na2SO4 is formed along with H2O and SO2. Very simple reaction. So sodium sulfite gets converted to sodium sulfate. Sulfate forms sulfite conversion sulfate मध्ये झालाय with formation of SO2 and H2. This becomes lab method preparation. Third is from sulfide. S फक्त S आलाय. Element बरोबर S आलाय. This is industrial method preparation. Which compounds do we use? Zinc sulfide, ZnS. When undergoes combustion, it forms. The zinc sulfide gets converted to zinc oxide along with liberation of SO2. Simple factors are there for balancing. This you can see which number has to be added, which should be the coefficient to be added to balance the equation. And second industrial method is by using iron pyrite or iron sulfide. This is also sulfide form of iron. FeS2, again undergoing combustion, sulfide form gets converted to oxide form along with liberation of SO2 gas. Balancing factors, you see it, which are the balancing factors, those are responsible for balancing the equation, and there is formation of SO2 gas. So these two become the sulfide preparation, which is industrial method. Now come to the physical properties of SO2. In physical properties, you will find that SO2 gas is colorless and poisonous in nature. It is highly soluble in water, which forms sulfurous acid H2O plus H2SO3. SO2 plus H2O forms H2SO3, which is sulfurous acid. And third physical property is it liquefies at room temperature. This gas can be converted into liquid at room temperature only.